They're going to get dizzy from watching this because it's shaking.
Oh, you're so pretty and you're so clean.
We get a butt shot of Anthony doing the work.
Oh, look at you. You got all those new feathers in. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, he's so sweet.
Because you're just a sweet boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Go get Cujo, Anthony. Anthony, go get Cujo.
Oh, no. Here, Cujo. You know, maybe he'll let me sit next to him.
You look like you're on a first date.
Keep your distance.
They're on a first date.
He's saying, get away. Buddy, you want to come over here and show Cujo how it's done?
Come here, buddy. Step up. Oh, I know, sweetheart. Step up. Step up. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh.
Cujo's hissing.
Look at this, Cujo. You can come over here.
Cujo says, no way. Roar. And we got two lions over here.
Roar. 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 Maxie, say roar. Huh? Oh, there's another new feather.